At GrowMad, we love growing vegetables and fruit too, but equally we love helping others to do the same. In this video, we are going to share with you how we make one of our favourite soups from leeks, a winter staple on the allotment, combined with other vegetables in store from last season. Potatoes, onion, garlic, and our own homegrown herbs. Stick around until the end. I'm going to share with you some awesome food pairings. And yes, check this out, some wine offerings too, which will perfectly complement your leek and potato creation. But first, the ingredients. These don't need to be exact quantities. You will be needing 4 to 5 leeks, about 500 grams of potatoes, an onion, 4 cloves of garlic. If you like garlic, go heavier. If you don't, cut it down. 50 grams of butter, a litre of veg stock. If you're not vegetarian, you can go for chicken. You'll need a splash of olive oil, black pepper, tarragon, rosemary, chives to garnish, and some creme fraiche. If you don't want the creme fraiche, simply omit it. You're probably thinking, well, you haven't included salt, but we did cheat. We used shop bought stock cubes, and trust me, they're salty enough. If you make your own, salt to your liking. This will be super healthy, suitable for vegetarians, gluten-free, but do check the stock cubes if you're using shop bought. It's nut-free, easily digested, it's a great source of fibre. And if you swap the butter for oil and omit the creme fraiche, it's lactose free too. It will keep for 3 days in the fridge and freezes really well. Should you be worried about allergies, you can find more details here depending on your location. So let's go. Start by preparing the potatoes. Chop and put on to parboil for about 10 minutes. Next, prepare the leeks. Strip off the outer leaves, give a thorough washing, and I mean thorough, the soil can get inside. Chop into reasonable sized chunks. When you're preparing the leeks, make sure you leave some green on. It really improves the ultimate colour of the finished soup. Peel and roughly chop the onion. Add the butter to the pan, but don't have it too hot, it will burn. Add the onion and simmer until golden. Add the leeks and mix the contents together. Add some tarragon, some rosemary and pepper, and then add the stock. Bring these ingredients to the boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Next, peel and chop the garlic finely. Put into a pan with the olive oil. Now this pan wants to be sizable because it's going to have everything coming together in it. Next, add the leek and onion mixture. Add the potatoes. Yes, I appreciate that we've used 3 individual pans, but I like to cook the ingredients separately. They all have slightly different cooking times. Trust me, it really is worth the effort. Allow to cool and put it in the fridge overnight. The next day, give it a good zhuzhing up. Don't overdo it though. It can go gloopy. Reheat. And served with a chopped chive garnish. Beautiful. And if you want to turn it into a really debaucherous meal, here's a list of things that you can add. And as far as the wine goes, it works well with any ice cold white, so Chardonnay, a Sauv Blanc, Pinot Grigio, Pinot Blanc, or a nice Chablis. Thanks for watching and enjoy. And if you've enjoyed it, it would be great for you to like and subscribe.